Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Wonder How. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a game using Unity Hub, step by step. If you're just getting started with game development, this video is for you. First, make sure you've installed Unity Hub. If you haven't, just visit unity.com/download and grab it for free. Once it's installed, open Unity Hub. This is your main dashboard where all your Unity projects live. Before we create a project, we need to make sure Unity version is installed. Go to the Installs tab, click Install Editor, and select the latest LTS version. Make sure to check the boxes for Visual Studio and build support for the platforms you want, like Windows or Android. Now head over to the Projects tab and click New Project. You'll see different templates like 2D, 3D, and URP for this video. Let's choose 2D Core to keep things simple. Name your game something cool, like my first game, and choose a location to save it. Then click Create. Unity will open your new project. This is the Unity editor. Don't worry, it looks complicated, but I'll walk you through it. Scene view is where you build your game world. Game view shows how the player sees it. Hierarchy shows all the objects in your scene. Inspector lets you edit object properties. Project window is where all your assets are stored. Let's add a simple player. Right-click in the hierarchy, 2D object, sprite, rename it to player. If you want, assign a custom sprite by dragging it into the sprite renderer in the inspector. Let's make our player move. Right-click in the project window, create, C# script, name it player movement. In your Input Actions asset, rename it to Player Controls. Then generate the C class by clicking the Generate C class button in the Input Actions editor. Click the play button at the top to test your game. Use arrow keys or WASD to move your player around. Nice! You just made your first interactive Unity game scene. And that's it. You just learned how to make a game using Unity Hub, from start to play mode.